Hi guys, I'm Komal from POPxo and today is yet another hack day, except we're doing beauty hacks. So let's get started. Hack number 1.
Concealer as lipstick. Now this is my go-to hack when I can't find my favorite nude lipstick. Dab concealer using your fingertips on your lips. Add moisture and shine by slicking on your favorite gloss or even some Vaseline. And there you go, your lips are all nude.
Hack number 2.
Highlight with eyeshadow. Now I'm sure you've heard all about highlighting. It's really easy to do. And best of all, you don't even need to invest in another product, thanks to this simple but effective hack. After your base is done, apply shimmery white eyeshadow on the high points of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, the cupid's bow, and on the chin. Don't overdo it, just enough to brighten your face.
Hack number 3.
The spoon and the mascara. Applying mascara is never easy. More often than not, we end up with smudges on the eyelid. This is an easy thing to avoid. Simply take a spoon and hold it over your eyelid. You are now free to apply your mascara stress-free.
Hack number 4.
The lighter and the lipstick. There's nothing worse than having your favorite lipstick shade break. Before you throw it away, pay attention to this hack. Take a lighter or even a candle and hover the flame over the broken end. Obviously be careful to not actually touch the flame to the lipstick or your fingers. Now take the other half of the lipstick and literally stick it on. Once attached, hold the flame over the joint for a few seconds and your broken lipstick is now fixed. For good measure, pop it in the fridge to harden and set.
Hack number 5.
Glitter and tape. We all love glitter eyeshadow, especially for an evening function or a big night out. But it's so hard to take off. Take a strip of tape and dab it on your skin first to remove the stickiness. After cleansing your face, gently dab the tape to pick up the stray flecks of glitter.
So guys, these were my 5 beauty hacks. If you like this video and would like to watch more such exciting videos, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until then, stay beautiful with POPxo.com.